Hey guys, welcome back to the EcoTools channel. My name is Alex Garza. I love EcoTools products and I'm really excited to be collaborating with them on this video that they have sponsored. I know we're all super busy women with work, family, babies, and just life in general, so today I wanted to share with you guys everything that I keep in my bag. These are my essentials, the things that I don't leave home without that help me feel and look put together every day. Of course, I have some really cool EcoTools goodies in there that I'm going to share with you guys as well, so let's go ahead and get started. So here is my cute little bag. It has my initials on it. This is a great size for travel, for work, for anything like that. Baby stuff all fits in here. My first essential is a really cute makeup bag. This one is of course from EcoTools. This is a perfect size. You can fit a full face in here if you need to for travel, but it's also great just to throw in like a gym bag, work bag, school bag, anything like that. I love the pattern on it and it's really durable. And inside the bag I can keep makeup, brushes, everything that I need to go from like a daytime look to a super glam nighttime look while I'm out and about. So I'm going to share with you guys what I keep inside. My second essential is the Travel Perfecting Blender. I love this because it's like a smaller version of my favorite blender from EcoTools. So you can actually keep it in this little case. It's great for liquid or cream products. It's not going to get messy all over your bag or anything like that. I also love this for longer trips. It's a really nice sponge. It's great for foundation, concealer. Must have number 3 is my retractable face brush. So it looks like this. It comes in a little tube. You pull it open and the brush is inside. So this is great obviously to keep in your purse. It's mess free. It's just like a nice travel size brush. But what I really love it for is I'll actually put powder on the brush. Then I'll put the lid on, and when I'm out and about later in the day, I can just grab this. My powder is already on it. If you have like an SPF powder and you want to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day, it's like such an easy hack. I love this brush for that. Next up, I always keep a powder with me for on the go. It's great for touch-ups, or maybe if I didn't have makeup on me and I'm like out and about and I need a little something. This one is from Physicians Formula. I really love this one because it has SPF like I was talking about. So with the retractable brush and the powder, that's all you need for like a quick and easy touch-up. So speaking of a quick like day to night look, I love the Refresh and 5 set from EcoTools. So you get 5 multitasking brush heads in these 2 little containers. It's really easy to use. I'll show you guys some clips so you can see all the different brushes that come with it. But this is like literally everything you would need to do a full face on the go. So first up, you get a conceal brush head, obviously great for under eyes, any little spots that you want to cover up. On the other end of that, you get a little angled brush. This would be great for eyebrows, eyeliner. And in the bigger brush, you get the base, which is going to be great for any foundations, powder, mineral makeup. It's all really good for that. On the other side, you get a cheek brush. This is great for bronzer, contouring, maybe even blush. And then lastly, you get a little spoolie. So this is great if you have lash extensions like I do. You can brush them out on the go or brush through your eyebrow hairs. Always good to have a spoolie on hand. That brush set is especially great for palettes, and I love taking palettes with me on the go. It's kind of like my all-in-one thing that I need. Basically, I just need foundation or my powder and this, and I'm set for a full face. So this one is from Tarte. It has a bunch of different blushes and highlighters in here. So this is literally everything I need depending on my mood. It's great for day to night. So I love having a little palette that I can keep in my makeup bag. Okay, so that is everything I'll keep in my makeup bag. Occasionally I'll throw in a lip gloss or a lip balm in here as well. So this bag is so big, it's great for the gym or anything like that too. So I also like to keep these in there. So these are from Pacifica and they're called the underarm deodorant wipes. So these are really great after the gym or after a workout. They are cruelty free, they're all natural, they help with any odor, just make you feel a lot fresher after a workout and you're kind of sweaty but you want to go do something after. So Pacifica deodorant wipes. Another thing that will come as no surprise if you watch me over on my channel is a Yeti water bottle. So I always bring water with me everywhere I go. I'm addicted to lemon water. It was a huge craving for me during pregnancy. And now after I've had the baby, I'm trying to lose the baby weight. It's really important that I drink water all the time. It's good for you guys too. So everyone should be drinking a ton of water. And a cute little cup usually helps you kind of like stay motivated. So I love a Yeti just because it keeps your water cold for like 12 hours and you can get a lid for the top. I just didn't have any water in here for this video because I didn't want it to spill, but you can get a lid for the top, you can get a straw, whatever you want. So it's great for on the go. It fits in the cup holder of your car. You guys, this is like a must-have. Wireless headphones are really great, especially if you're a busy mom like I am. So I have a lot of conference calls or just work calls. I can throw these on while I'm still taking care of Julian. I can be present on the call and present with him at the same time. Also nice when he's sleeping or napping, and I can just use these to listen to music or play YouTube videos, whatever, so I don't disturb him, but I can like clean and do laundry at the same time. So wireless headphones are great. And my final essential is a travel changing pad. This is another game changer. If you you're a mom to a little one like I am, you can keep your wipes in here, diapers in here, a change of clothes, and you have everything you need. Like if we're out and about, I don't always want to bring my whole big bag to change him, so I'll just bring this. I have a black one and a blue one. It has literally everything I need. It's just super convenient, and you know you're keeping him clean or she clean. There's like nothing that's gonna get on him, so it's really, really handy. I love the Skip Hop one and also the Herschel one. So there you have it. Those are my 10 must-have items that I always keep with me. They're great for my routine. I love having them whether I'm at home or on the go. And thanks again to EcoTools for collaborating with me and sponsoring today's video. You can check out links for the EcoTools products down below in the description box. I'll see you guys over on my channel. Bye!